नमस्कार आणि येवकार तुमकां प्रुडंट मिडियाच्या आमच्या सप्तकी कार्यावळीत जागोर आणि आयचो जागोर आमी घेतात. अर्थातच गोंयांत सद्याक ज्या गजालीचेर परत एक फावट बोवाळ पडला तो म्हणजे रिजनल प्लॅन. सगळ्या तालुक्यांचे रिजनल प्लॅन भायर सरल्यात आणि जवळ जवळ 4 वर्सांची एक्सरसाइज 2006तलें आंदोलन 2007 सावन टास्क फोर्स करून जाल्लो प्रोसेस सुरू. ताजे नंतर स्पेशल कमिटी करून ताजे नंतर जी जालें तातूंतल्यान हो रिजनल प्लॅन भायर सरला आणि भायर सरतकर आतां कितलेशेच आमदारी बोवाळ मारपाक लागल्यात. खास करून काँग्रेसीचेच आमदार बोवाळ मारपाक लागल्या की हो रिजनल प्लॅन स्क्रॅप करचो. तर त्या गजालीचेर चर्चा आमी आज करतात. हो रिजनल प्लॅन स्क्रॅप करचो काय कितें, हो प्रादेशीक आराखडो रद्द करचो काय कितें. आणि ते खातीर आमचे कडेन हांगा 3 मानेस्त आसात. तातले पयले आसात ज्यांनी हें आंदोलन सुरू केल्लें. हो पयलींचो 2011तलो जो स्क्रॅप आशिल्लो तो प्लॅन आशिल्लो तो स्क्रॅप करचो म्हणून. आनी ताजे नंतर तें आंदोलन घेवन मुखार सरलें आनी तातूंतल्यान सगळें कितें हें घडलें त्या गोवा बचाव अभियानाची निमंत्रक सबीना मार्टिन्स. दुसरे आमचे बरोबर हांगा आसात जे बोवाळ मारलो तातूंत भितर पयलींचो प्लॅन आशिल्लो तो बिल्डरां खातीर आशिल्लो, रियल इस्टेटी खातीर आशिल्लो म्हणून तो नाका अशें म्हणून सांगलें. आनी आतांचो प्लॅन जो आसा तोय तांच्याच खातीर आसा अशाय तरेची चर्चा चल्ल्या. तर त्या क्रेडाय ह्या ऑर्गनायझेशनाचे म्हणजे रियल इस्टेट डेव्हलपर्स जे आसात ते सगळे बिल्डर्साच्या ऑर्गनायझेशनाचे गोंयचे फाट्याचे प्रेसिडेंट निलेश साळकार. आणि तिसरे सद्याक जे सगळे काँग्रेसवाले मुखार सरले तातूंतलो पयलो काँग्रेसवालो ज्याने ह्या गजालीचेर बोवाळ मारलो की हो प्लॅन स्क्रॅप करचो म्हणून ते कुडतरेचे काँग्रेसीचे आमदार अलेक्स रेजिनाल्ड लॉरेन्स. तुमकां तिगांयकय आमच्या स्टुडियो भितर येवकार. आणि अलेक्स वील स्टार्ट विथ यू. प्लॅन तुमचो, चेअरमॅन तुमचो चीफ मिनिस्टर आनीक यू आर डिफायींग युअर चीफ मिनिस्टर आनी ताणें जो प्लॅन एप्रूव केल्लो आसा सगळी कमिटीक घेवन सगळी एक्सपर्टांक घेवन तो आतां 4 वर्सांच्या एक्सरसाइजी नंतर यू आर सेईंग दॅट यू स्क्रॅप इट. वाय?
तो प्लॅन ताणें केलो ना, तो प्लॅन एक्सपर्ट्सान केला आनी एक्सपर्ट्सान करता आसतना कांय अटेन्शन दिलें ना. म्हणून फर्स्ट सेटलमेंट एरियाज काडले आनी नॉन सेटलमेंट एरियाज केले. सेकंड काडला कोणागे काडला इंडस्ट्रियल काडल्या सेटलमेंट केल्या. मागीर सेटलमेंट इंडस्ट्रीज आहा ती काडल्या, इंडस्ट्री आहा ती सायडीन काडल्या, सेटलमेंट केल्या. देर इज नो प्रॉपर प्लॅनिंग. आनी एक भाटकारांगे आमी खुडतोर 1-2 भाटकारां गेले बरे भाटकार ते बघून आंबे रोवपाचे, काजूबाज रोवपाचे तें भाट काडलां, फॉरेस्ट कवर केलां. अशे भाशेन इतली भंय लोकां मदें तयार केल्या आनी तेजेर आनी कितें उलोवपा आतां. आय डोंट थिंक वी शूड देर इज एनीथींग हॅज टू टॉक. इदर ऑल दीस थिंग्स हॅव टू बी करेक्टेड ऑर इट हॅज टू बी स्क्रॅप्ड.
ओके निलेश, बेजिकली बोवाळ सगळो चल्ला की हो प्लॅन जो आसा तो प्लॅन बिल्डर्सांक खूब बऱ्याक पडला आनी कितें आनीक तशे तरेचें हें सगळें चल्लां. आनी तुमची बरी स्टेटमेंटूय आयल्या तातूंत भितर पळयल्यार कितें दिसता की वेर यू आर व्हेरी क्लियरली सेईंग दॅट इट इज नॉट बेनिफिटींग यू. वॉट इज द ट्रूथ?
See, almost all village panchayats, the FAR has been reduced to 50, and wherever the plots are more than 4,000, it is definitely 50. There is no other option. So when we are working at half the FSIs or half the FARs, how do you call it a builder's plan? It is just not beneficial to us at all. The second point is whatever commitments were made in the draft regional plan and were shown in 2001 plan have to be continued. That was the statement made by the government. It was reflected in the draft regional plan. It is now out, so we don't see reason. And fortunately for us, the town planning department has agreed to make those corrections as per the advertisement that they have released. So I see no reason. It is just become a case of builder bashing, and we feel that builders are soft targets. Anybody can point a finger at builder and hold a gun to his head, and probably most of them will fall in line. So it is become a that case. अशें पळोवपाक दिसता की गोंयांत जे कितें बरें वायट चल्लां ताजो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फक्त बिल्डराच्या तकलेर आसा आनी कोणूच जबाबदार ना ह्या सिच्युएशनाक.
Okay, builders are saying that they are very soft, and you appear to be Goa Bachao Abhiyan appears to be very hard. But your hard stand that this plan जो आसा तो प्लॅन सारको ना, हें करपा जाय तें करपा जाय असो तुमी स्टँड घेतिल्लो. यू सडनली चेंज्ड इट अँड यू डोंट एग्री विथ देर डिमांड नाव दॅट डोंट स्क्रॅप इट बी म्हणटा प्लॅन उरपाक जाय, एनोमलीज काडात. वाय दिस सडन शिफ्ट?
कॅन आय जस्ट गिव यू बॅकग्राऊंड की आमी जेन्ना हो रिजनल प्लॅन मागलोलो, GBAचो डिमांड आसलो रिवोक 2011 and get a new plan as per 73rd and 74th amendment with people's participation. So main म्हणजे की आमकां changes आसले लॉन so that the process of making the plan becomes participatory. पूण जालें कितें, सरकारान ही मागणी मानून घेवना. सो हाजे हाका लागून जे पार्टिसिपेशन जे जावपाक जाय आसले द बॉटम अप प्रोसेस जो जावपाक जाय आसलो तो जावना आनी इट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट कित्याक सांगता इट्स लायक युअर मॅरेज इफ आय रजिस्टर माय मॅरेज अंडर द पर्सनल लॉज रेस्ट ऑफ द कंट्री म्हाका हक बायलांक कमी मेळटा हांव तो सेम मॅरेज समज तूं हांव गोवा लॉ खाला तो रजिस्टर करीत जाल्यार म्हाका इक्वल रायट्स मेळटा so the law is important so marriage remains the same okay same way here the plan should have been made as per the amended act and we would have got a better plan better participation and an informed thing what happened was the plan was made under the TCP act okay so TCP act khala jo plan kelo so amka kai karpak melna so je benefit amka amended act khala meita ashile we have worked hard to get it under the TCP act because the government did not listen so and we didn't get everything we got little so whatever we got in this plan we said we have to protect आणि करेक्शन्स करपाकूच जाय कित्याक कांयचे इन्सर्शन्स ह्या प्लॅनान जाला मान्य करता पण आमचें म्हणणें कितें आसा ते करेक्शन्स करपाक जाय लोकांनी जागृत रावपाक जाय बोवाळ घालपाक जाय खंय कितें गलत जालां ते करेक्शन्स करपाक जाय आनी डिसेंबर 5th दिला आनी मागणी करून आमकां डिसेंबर 5th मेळ्ळा बेश्टें दिवना सरकारान बोवाळ करता म्हणून दिला सो तेजे आमी एडवांटेज घेवन जें कितें बरें मेळ्ळा तें प्रोटेक्ट करपाक जाय आनी जें कितें वायट आसा तें आमी करेक्शन करपाक जाय
So see, they are the.
No, the fact that she says that there has been no people's participation is, according to me, flawed. 176 panchayats have sent their plans to the town planning department. There were only about 8. No, whether it is under this law or that law, you have been given a hearing. I don't think that is any
The bottom-up process has been there.
Bottom-up process has been there.
It is not a proper bottom-up process. I'll give you a simple example. आता मी VP3 तेणीन लोकांक ऑप्शन दिल्ले ओके एंड ऑप्शन दिल्ले VP3 and suddenly मागीर तेणी तो VP3 ऑप्शन काढलो आता समज तो कायदो तर आशिल्लो इट इज लायक इलेक्शन कॅन्डिडेट लोकांनी तो चूज केलो मागीर आमच्यान सांगू जायना की आमकां नाका म्हणून
लोकांन जर तर चूज केलो VP3 there are every village committee sent plans nothing was adhered they didn't even take it into consideration forget that even the draft report dadilo draft is done based on 2000 plan so even that they have changed it doesn't it imply that they have taken their own decision not only that care a damn about the people's participation why don't we make a submission that like how politicians did they did it
Alex ekos minute just for people's knowledge this VP1 is basically you are saying that when FAR is 80 and VP2 is 60 and VP3 is 50 correct
yes
so you wanted 50
no I never wanted 50
already there.
no I don't want 50 I Karla VP3 I didn't want see I want whatever the people wanted I wanted we need to educate the people how much is 80 कोणाक आमगे लोकांक people wanted the people wanted VP2 people wanted VP1 also some people wanted VP1
that's what I'm saying so you want VP1
no I don't want I want whatever people want I want
no,
but what is want? No when she says participation of the people are there I am saying there is no participation they didn't whatever even people participated they care a damn I am making an allegation saying that what 2011 plan did the same thing these people did only thing we were that time they were politicians this time there was you call it whoever you want like politicians they say rogues we'll call these people what I don't know like Agnel called them a bunch of whatever whoever called them
no for exactly for this reason the developers lobby was given a representation on the SLC somewhere in 2009 my predecessor Mr. Datta Naik opted out of the SLC anticipating these type of issues that is the primary reason why we were not a party to this and we are still not a party to this we were there up to the draft regional plan after that we have not been a party
basically I agree with him it is not a builder's plan it's not a builder's plan because once FAR and everything is reduced they are in a loss
so Sabina are you saying that this is a builder's plan
pardon
this is a builder's plan
right now we were looking at the regional plan 2021 we found that certain areas like the things like eco zones mark kela आणि other thing was that coastal regulation zone थोडे मार्क केला पण हे सगळे असताना सुद्धा काय प्रेशर आयला SLC चेर आणि काय एरियाज बिल्डरां खातीर मार्क केला सो आसा ही थोडी गोष्टी आसा
खूप मेळना काय थोडे मेळना
म्हणजे the process
probably what you are saying is there are aberrations in the plan
yeah no there are few things
which you can rectify when the government
by
is
6th December
so that is what
for that you don't have to shout at cancellation of the regional plan This
No,
is our opinion.
GBA
Because
has
there
not
has been
asked,
extensive effort that has gone in preparation of this plan. Extensive people have worked on it. A lot of people have given
But
their
GBA
time
is
and
not
effort.
demanding now. The MLAs are demanding that
But
the
not
plan be
MLAs,
scrapped.
not only as we MLAs, there are a lot of people also demanding. Why they are demanding? Because basically people have not been taken into
A lot of people who wanted to build big buildings.
No, not only people.
Because whole Salsette is VP1 right now.
I am
VP2.
Sorry, VP2.
VP2.
Whole Salsette is VP2 where you cannot build basically 4,000 square मीटरच्या चढ असेल जाल्यार 50 पर्यंत
Our main
FAR
issue,
मेळना.
the main issue is that last time in any regional plan जेन्ना politician केले लोक म्हणाला paint केला. What these people did, these people I am calling them more rogues than those politicians.
No,
They have
these
removed,
म्हळ्यार
they have
कोण?
they जे पड कोण हात केला ते.
So
I
you
don't
are,
name
you are
anybody.
calling
One
basically
second.
Charles Kuraya rogue.
I am not calling. I am called all those people who have. I am not naming anybody for the simple reason why what they have done. Suppose हो settlement आहा तो काढला एस उणी केला आणि तेच वाडयला कोणा हेल्प करपाको
Can I, say
कोणा हेल्प
something?
करपाको just because that there is a law that you have not converted and you have kept it blank ते काढला and just because on the Google then this report म्हणून I can show you cases where on the Google I'll give you an example in Kamolli.
No, we agree.
Well, I'm coming to
Whatever
the point.
commitments were made in the 2001 regional plan,
Why you changed it?
that should have been adhered
That
to.
should have been it. Why you
And
gave
that
that
was
plan?
what the draft plan also said. They had agreed to keeping those changes which were made in the 2001 regional plan.
See, can I say something? 2001 plan पळालो त्या 2001 प्लॅनाक खुबशे गजेट चेंजेस केले आणि ते गजेट चेंजेस करून मागीर 2011 प्लॅन
No. This is, see, whatever changes were made by the Gazette followed a legal process. They
Yeah,
were
but-
approved in the town and country planning, and they had agreed that such changes up to 2005, I think, would be accepted. Anything done after 2005
Will not be accepted.
will not
That
be
is what
accepted.
draft
That
plan
was-
had said.
Yeah.
That is what draft plan had said.
And
What
now they are
happened-
saying that they are not
Now
doing.
they have taken away everything. Now they have even gone prior to the 2001.
So
plan.
you are happy with that?
So, see, what we are looking at case
That is
to
what
case,
people are.
no, what we are
the
looking at
major
case to
complaints are
case.
against that. If correct
See,
me if I'm wrong. The major
basically,
complaints-
I'll put it in simple.
Yes.
I'll put it in simple language. सारकी लोकां जाय ती लोक कितें म्हणटा आपल्यागे एक बाट आहा आपणागे एक धाकलोसो प्लॉट आहा थोड्यांक व्हडलें आहाय आपण ते सेटलमेंट केलें म्हण आपणागे फॅमिली डिविजन केलोलें आपल्यागे बाट भुरग्यांक गेलोलें एक भाटकारान जावं एक लँड ओनरान सगळे भाटकारांक जमीन नाय आतां नये भाटकार जाले सो एवरीबडी यू कॅनॉट नेम भाटकार एज भाटकार चल्ली नाव पीपल हॅव बॉट प्रॉपर्टीज ऑल्सो कोण धाकलो प्लॉट तेण भाड्यान एक प्लॉट गेलोलो आपल्यागे सगळे सेवीन हेण काडला तो सेटलमेंट आहलोलो 2000 ड्राफ्ट प्लॅनान सेटलमेंट आहलो टाक्को ना जालो तो हाटगा इन मोत्तलो तेगे परिस्थिती कितें who is responsible for this
corrections
why correction is secondary job corrections is secondary job
No, can
it
I
doesn't
just-
give them a right
can
to
I
remove
just-
somebody's settlement
एक बारीक गजाल त्यांनी सबीना ही गजाल जी 2001 आशिल्ली आणि आता ना जाल्या
ओय.
ती जेन्ना पंचायती मुखार जेन्ना प्लॅन आयिल्लो तेन्ना तांणी डिमांड केली नाशिल्ली
ना ती ड्राफ्ट प्लॅनाची
It was shown in the draft
it was shown in the draft
It was
plan
shown in the draft
and
plan.
plus village
आणि आता ती
committee
काढली.
काढली
Okay.
forget villagein धाडली ते प्लॅन मागीर येतले
Correct.
हे ड्राफ्टान धाडत ती काढल्या
बॉटम अप प्रोसेसा भितर लोकांनी कांय गजाली मागिल्ल्यो आणि लोकांची जाय गजाली
मागलो
जाय
नाही.
आशिल्ल्यो.
Plan
त्यो
आसले,
आतां
मागलो
प्लॅनांतल्यान
नाही,
काडल्या.
मागलो नाही,
So
मागलो
are
नाही.
you opposed to this bottom of process?
See, one thing you have to keep in mind, जेन्ना आमी-
Because लोकांनी
But
खूप
एक
मागिल्ले आणि तांकां मेळ्ळो खूप थोडे
ना मागलो ना मागपा क्वेश्चन येना मागपा मागीर येतले आशिल्ले
ना,
तू
एक-
काडटा
ना एक खंय आमचे प्लॅनिंग प्रोसेसान चुकला ते की फर्स्ट अँड फॉरमोस्ट गायडलायन्स तयार करपाक जाय आसले आनी जेन्ना टास्क फोर्स नेमलोलो तेन्ना फर्स्ट नोटिफिकेशन जेन्ना येयले ते नोटिफिकेशन येयले की द कमिटी फॉर्म केली टू मेक द गायडलायन्स फॉर फॉर्म्युलेशन ऑफ द प्लॅन पण मागीर गायडलायन्स तयार करनासतना तांणी स्ट्रेट अवे सेट दॅट द टास्क फोर्स वील प्रिपेअर द प्लॅन